Hey guys, Kim from Serene Bookworks coming at you again. It's my day again. So hopefully you've watched all week. Here comes Friday, yay for Friday. And today we're going to do something really fun. My prompt for today was, or is, pastels. And I was super excited to get this because even though I'm not a huge pastel person, I saw something and I thought, oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing ever and I want to do it. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make a carrot gnome. Yes, you heard that right. The little gnomes that are so cute that everybody just loves. We're going to make one and his hat's going to be in a carrot shape, or her hat. But anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. It's a lot of fun. Nothing needs to be so precise like my last one. It's just, you know, do it and have fun. So we're going to need a few things. I have some paint here. I've got some different materials to work with. You can use scraps of cardboard. You could use cardstock. I'm using this because I like the texture. It's a personal choice. You could use whatever you want. Something that has a little bit more oomph than just plain paper, though. It has to have some stability. And then you're going to need something for the beard. And there's a cute little pastel color there. You can use ribbon, yarn, sari, whatever you have. I think I might try to use these. Believe it or not, these are mop strands, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do, I do not trust myself to just draw a shape out and cut it. So I went through several sketches, and let me get a piece of black paper here so you can see what I finally ended up with is this shape. So what we're going to do is, that is the carrot. It's an upside down carrot. If you turn it this way, I know it kind of looks like a tooth as well, but you'll see. It's a carrot shape, and then this little piece here is connected, and that's going to be where you put the beard for our Mr. Gnome here. And then I thought, oh my gosh, they always have a nose so that you know that it's a gnome. What are we going to do for a nose? So I was looking around my craft room, and came upon my button jar. So we're going to dig through, find a cool button and use that for his nose. All right, so as I said, you're going to cut out some sort of pattern. Mine is about hand length there. This is not a measuring thing. This is just a have fun thing. You can make it as big or as small as you'd like, okay? And then I put mine on the back here of my cardboard that I'm going to use, and I cut it out, which I have right here. And so I'm just getting ready to cut this part out, and I'm using this awesome tool. If you don't have one of these, get one. It's awesome. It's from Fiskars, and it's a finger blade, and it allows for really precision cutting in tight places. So I hope you can kind of see what I'm doing here on my mat. And it do get sharp, so be careful. But this way, you know, you don't have to stick your blade in the middle and cut around and all that good stuff. It just kind of does the work for you. And you've got control because you're holding it with your fingers. And let's see if this went all the way through. Oh, it kind of did. Yay. I've never used it on this sort of paper before, or cardboard before. So there we go. All right. Ta-da! So there's our little gnome hat. And you can cover this with paper if you'd like. You can paint it. You could have just used orange heavy cardstock or what have you if you wanted to. I didn't have any of that, or I didn't want to do that. I wanted to use this because of the texture, but I wanted to paint it, and I think I need a little bit more orange. Got too much black there. There we go. My orange is like, orange! Orange, you glad? And I don't know, is that showing up good enough? I like it because of the texture, but it may not work with these colors. I think it will now. There we go. Oh yeah. And we're just gonna paint that up. Let's see, is that coming through okay there? Not really. It is pretty orange though. Let's get a little bit more on there. I thought it might be a little too orangey, so I put some black on it, but I think that was a mistake with the dark paper here. And I am going to do down here as well, even though that's where we're going to be putting our beard, because I want that orange to just be the complete color. That's pretty cute. There we go. All right. It's pretty orange. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side as well. You don't have to. Oh, I might even like that side better. See, you just never know. That's cute. And it doesn't take long. If you have inks, you could also ink this. Get out the old Jim Bolt inks, as we used to say. That was a while ago. Jim Bolt. All right, there. Now I think you could probably see that a little bit better. The lighting is not great in here, but there we go. All right, so I'm going to dry this off a little bit. I'll be right back. So while I was waiting for my carrot to dry, I decided to use some inks, and I am going to ink up the bearded portion a little bit. I'm using tumbled glass for this one, just to give it some more pastel. And I will dry these also, and we'll come back. Okie dokie, here we go. So this is all dry, and my beard pieces are dried. So now it's really simple to put this together. I took the mop pieces and unraveled them like so, put a little ink on them. You could paint them, stain them, whatever you wanted to do. So now I'm just going to take them, and if you are a child of the 70s like me, you would know that this is a lark's head knot because we all had to learn how to do, if I put it on backwards, we all had to learn how to do macrame. That was like a rite of passage growing up in the 70s. And that's the first thing that you learn is how to do a lark's head knot. Cute. I don't care that it's uneven here. If you care, of course, when you get done, you can trim it. Let's do just another one really quick. You fold it in half and then run it through the folded side here and then bring the two ends through the loop and carefully pull it tight. All right, we're gonna go all the way across here. You can make it as full or as sparse as you like. I'm gonna try also, I think I'll try this on camera here, doing 2 at a time to see what that does, because you can do more than 1 at a time. Let's see, if we like this better, we'll just go with this. So then you'll bring your end pieces through both loops like this. It takes a little bit of finagling, but it's not bad. Where's the other two? There they are. And let's see. There. And then you just have to carefully work your loop, since you've got several pieces now. I might like that better. All right, I'm gonna fill up the rest. You don't need to watch me doing that. And I'll be right back. I'm pretty obsessed with how cute he is. Oh my gosh. Look at that little beard. So now all we have to do is add a nose. So into the jar we go. And since we're doing pastels, let's see if we can find, I thought about doing something like this, and that's cute and all, but I really wanted to keep the theme with the pastels. So I think we're gonna go with something like this. What's that look like? That's kind of cute. That's cute. Or do we need to go a little bigger? Oh, I think that's it. That's kind of a pastel-y pink there. Let's see here. Yep, I think we need that big one. All right. You can glue it on if you'd like. I'm going to tack it real quick with some glue, but I'm also gonna just run a quick little sewing needle through it, just to make sure. Let's see, where did I put my sewing needle? There we go. This is so cute. Maybe, there we go. I'm just gonna pierce both holes. And then, let's see, should we put that on the front, the little, Lordy mercy, there we go. We'll put the little tie on the front. I need a new needle, I think. This one's getting quite old. It has served me well, you know. Let's just tie this little guy right on there. Maybe. It's always the easiest things that give you the hardest trouble. There we go. That is so cute. And snip. Okay, so here's the back, and if you were using this in a journal, you could write on the back, or you could decorate it however you'd like. And here is the front of our little gnome. He is so stinking cute. I have lots of extra beard material, so I may make another one. I will tell you, if you're using that, the mop head from the dollar store, let's move him out of the way for a second. Don't pull too hard because, yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would mop with one of these either. But this would be cute for like, oh my gosh, a mustache. Okay, somebody come up with a mustache for that. That's your assignment. Okay. All right, here we go. We're all set. We shall name him Harold. He's pretty cute. That is your ephemera spring around project for Friday the 11th. And just like last week, tomorrow it goes on to a new creator. Again, it's Cindy from Studioloo. We will make sure to mark everything down in the description box. If you have any questions about any of the projects that any of us do, please reach out. We love questions. We love to help. We love suggestions. So anything at all that we could do for you, you just let us know. You guys have a great rest of March. We will see you next week. Bye.